What's up guys, Christian here, welcome back to the channel. This is the Greenote Air Purifier AP10. Just over a couple of weeks ago, I did feature a Greenote product, which is their cordless vacuum cleaner, which was quite amazing. You can click it here if you want to check the that video. And this air purifier has a 3-stage filtration system. It also has a wide coverage of 14 meters squared in terms of its floor area. And also it is known for its quiet operation. So let's start by unboxing this. Let's go. Let's see what we have in the box. Okay. Ooh, okay, first thing we have is the Greenote user manual. Okay, so we have the user manual. And also we have the power adapter. Now we have some protection for the Greenote itself. Okay, oh, it is pretty small. Wow, look at that. So do you have anything else? Okay, it seems that was it. Alright, so as you can see, it is pretty small. Okay, it's quite handy. And I was surprised it can actually cover 14 meters squared of floor area. So let's open this. Okay, so we have it here. It's quite light. It's small. So if just in case you have multiple rooms in your house, you can actually carry this. It's quite easy to transfer and let it run on the room if you want to purify the air. So it has a Greenote logo up here, and at the top you have the controls. Alright, so let's see what else we have. Okay, it seems that was it. Okay, so let's try, I'm going to plug it. I'm going to use this power adapter. Alright, so as soon as you plug the power adapter, it would start filtering your room. So with the fan, you can hear the fan that is already running, but it is at a minimum. Okay, so we're going to explore what are the options here on the top. So it's a touch panel. It's not able to connect to any Wi-Fi. There's no app or anything. It's quite straightforward. Just plug it and there are touch controls up on the top. Okay, so in the middle you have the power button over here, and you'll have the filter icon here as well. The filter icon will only indicate if you need to change the filter. So first things first is we have the fan icon. So we tap on the fan. Alright, so the fan will indicate the speed or the power of the air purifier. So there are like 3 speed levels. Okay, now it's set to number 1. Let's see how is the noise level. Well, that's pretty quiet actually. So we can set it to number 2. And number 3. Okay, that seems to be pretty strong, but I don't know how it is on the camera side. Okay, so there is also a night mode. So let's try the night mode. The night mode is only 22 decibels, so it is super quiet. Okay, so those are the controls. And other options that we can find here on the top is the timer. So there's a timer for 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. So same thing, you just have to tap it using the icon on the timer itself. So it's quite straightforward to use, very easy to use. Okay. So let me power it off for a minute. So we're gonna check out the filter, the bottom. So you just have to flip it over and you just have to open it, just twist to open. Okay, so you'll have a HEPA filter and you will need to change this every 3 to 6 months. That is, it would depend on how much, how you use it or how dirty the area that you that's cleaning the air, or how dirty the air is. It is it's quite easy to take out and put back because there's no lock or anything. It's just this. covering the filter. So that's pretty much it. And filter is always available. You can check the Amazon. Also, I can put some links in the description if you're looking for the filter for this. I have that. I'll put that over there. Okay, so that's it for today on this video for this Greenote air purifier. It's small, it's handy, it does its job quite well, and also it is super quiet. And I love the fact that it's, although it's small, but it can clean a large area. The only thing about this is it doesn't have a smart feature, but other than that, it's all pretty good. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.